Welcome back to another video. So I'm going to do a polygel set today using the Modelones Blind for Love polygel that I got in probably my last video or the video before. I did an unbox and swatching on it if you want to go and watch that. This is the two colours that I've decided to use out of that kit. Keeping it kind of nude and neutral. I'm doing a really pointy set. I see them all the time, these stiletto sets, but they're extra stiletto, like lethal. And I really like the look of them. So, I mean, I've done stiletto sets in the past, but not this sharp. So I've just given them a quick coat of base coat, and that cures in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going in with the polygel now. I'm just going to do a pointed nail bed on this middle finger. So I start by, like I always do, get it quite thin, tuck it in quite neat and thin at the cuticle area. The good thing about polygel, you can play with it and take as long as you need. So I'll pull it down as far as I want that nail bed to go, and then I just keep swiping it in at each side to get it to a point. Again, just play with it until you've got it exactly how you want it. I think I changed it 3 times. It was a bit too long to start with, so I shortened it down. Then it was a bit too short. So for the 3rd time, before I put it in the lamp, I changed it again. But yeah, just play with it till you've got it exactly how you want it to be. And I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now the rest of the nails are just going to be one colour, using this colour, and I'm going to use a different colour on the pointer finger and the pinky. I am going to leave every nail in this time, just because I have had to speed it up. A lot of you have been saying to me they'd prefer it in real time, but this video, I've put it on number 2, it's only been sped up by 1, and it's still 15 minutes long. There's just no possible way these kind of sets that I could do them in real time. It would just take too long. But I've tried to keep a little bit of every nail in there so you can see exactly how I do it. So I will let you watch this and I will be back. Right, so that's them all out the lamp. They're all cured. Make sure before you file, you wipe that tacky layer off. I did do the filing off camera. There wasn't much filing to do actually. Yeah, there wasn't much filing to do at all. So this is the glitter that came in the Blind for Love Polygel kit. It's so pretty, isn't it? I love it. So I've put on my palette a very similar colour to what is on the pointer finger and the pinky. And I'm just going to fill in the end of this, the free edge of this nail. I'm going to paint up the sides of that nail bed. Use a detailer brush and get it right up into them corners. And paint the whole of that free edge. And that's going to get cured in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, now that's out the lamp, I'm going to give it a coat of base coat over where I've just done the gel polish. I'm going to cover that in the base coat, and I'm going to put the glitter into this wet base coat. I'm just going to use a detailer brush, and I used the small bits of glitter to get up into them corners. Can you see? Just using the small hexes and the fine glitter, and save the chunky ones for the lower part of the nail. And once I'm happy with where all that glitter is, I'm going to completely cover that free edge. That's going to get put in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. And now, exactly the same as I've just done on that other nail, on this pinky, I'm just going to do a bit of a swoosh. I'm not going to cover it. Yeah, just a bit of a swoosh going down this nail, and then that'll get cured in the lamp as well. So with this middle nail, I'm going to use a clear builder gel to get this, the free edge, this glitter encapsulated. I'm just going to completely cover the whole nail with this clear builder gel, and that will get cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. What I'm going to do on the pinky is I'm just giving it a generous layer of, I can't remember if I used base coat or top coat. It doesn't matter, you can use any, but just a generous layer to encapsulate that glitter. Right guys, that's them all encapsulated, all filed and all buffed. So I've pulled out some gems and I'm going to get these nails blinged up. I'm just going to put gems on the ring finger, and I'm going to put a few on the pointer finger as well. So I'm just putting some rhinestone glue on my palette. This rhinestone glue is from Modelones, and you have to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds, I think it is. So I'm just going to cover the part of the nail where I'm going to be sticking the gems. So I'll let you watch this and I'll be back at the end. Right guys, that's my gems all cured into place. So we're going to give these a nice generous layer of top coat now. Bring these nails to life. Right guys, that's them finished. I absolutely love these. I really like them. I really do. I did get a few bubbles in the polygel on the ring finger. I'm not sure why. I think I played about with it too long. But I still love them. I'm really happy with them. I'll leave the link in my description box to the unboxing video of this polygel kit if you want to see what the kit comes with, what other colours it comes with, and I'll leave it as the clickable video at the end. It's probably going to be the last video I did actually, but if not, it'll be there anyway. Right guys, if you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and all that good stuff so you don't miss any of my videos, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.